Well, I'm ABC 10's Tracy Humphrey, and I'm here with Megan Evans as she is a guru when it comes to healthy living, healthy eating. And today you're going to tell us a little bit about how I can clean my home with less synthetic products and to do it a little bit more naturally and also more healthy.
Yes. Okay. So we did this early on ABC 10, but we didn't have enough time to get to everything.
Yes.
So I want to show you everything now. So the EPA, Tracy, actually says that indoor air pollution is 2 to 5 times worse than outdoor air pollution.
Oh my
And the
gosh.
reason is because of all the chemicals that we use inside our homes.
Okay.
We don't realize it. So let's start with laundry. Okay.
All
You
right.
have to think. Your detergent is with you basically all day long. The clothes you wear, the sheets you sleep on, the towels you use in the laundry, you know, in your shower.
You're freaking me out, man.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
So well, the thing is your skin is the largest organ. So, and this stuff absorbs, and we also breathe it in. So the main thing I want to say to look out for with laundry detergents is synthetic fragrances. Fragrances are just perfumes. If you see that on the label, the thing is there are so many chemicals that make up these fragrances and perfumes that we don't even know, but they've also been linked to hormone imbalance. They're endocrine disruptors. They lead to other health issues too. So,
But here's the thing, we grow up thinking we got to smell fresh, right? They always say that, do you want to smell like fresh laundry? So what you're telling me now is it's best if my products have no smell.
no smell at all, or if you really want to smell, you can use essential oils. So you can buy a fragrance-free laundry detergent and then just add some essential oils to it.
I like that.
Because that's definitely a better fragrance, better for your health.
Okay. So tell me about these guys. Who are they and why do you like them?
This is the company called Branch Basics. I really love them because not only is it great for laundry, they send you this concentrate. You order it online. They send you this, and you can use this concentrate for cleaning your bathroom. You can actually, for your laundry, for your kitchen.
Okay, I like that, all purpose.
Yes. So they send you a few extra bottles with it. You pour in the concentrate, mix it with some water. It's different ratios for if you're using it for laundry detergent or if you're using it in your kitchen. But it is super clean. There's no parabens and phthalates. These are all just chemicals. Even some of them have been linked to cancer. So they're carcinogens that are in a lot of the mainstream products that these products don't have. But if you didn't want to order something online, you could always do ECOS. They are actually at
Whole Foods?
Whole Foods and
Yeah.
Costco.
So what's the price point for something like this? So if I'm like penny pinching and I want to get into this, but I need to get into it slowly.
Yeah, well, I say definitely do it like one at a time. You know, don't feel like you have to go in and throw out all your products right away.
Okay.
You can use them up, and then whenever you're starting again new, actually I can't even think of what they are, but this is like the same price as, you know, your regular mainstream.
Okay, well that's good. I'm not spending more
Yeah.
just because I want to make sure I'm healthy.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So
right.
3
And
products
even if
for
you
laundry.
do spend a little bit more, I mean, it's your health, you know?
It is your health.
I always say you won't spend more later on medical bills.
Okay, that's a good point. She got me on that one, right? So you got 3 for laundry. Now tell me what the others are.
Okay, so now let's move to the bathroom. Now this will save you money.
Okay.
You can get baking soda and
Okay,
vinegar.
I already got that. That's good.
Exactly.
Ding.
Most people probably already have this in their homes, under $5.
Wow.
So I love to use this for the bathtub. So you can just, instead of
dilute
bleach.
it?
Yes. So what we do is I just cover it, you know, put some of the baking soda down in the bathtub, pour a little vinegar in there, and just get your scrub.
Do you let it sit for a while?
Yeah, you can let it sit for a while, or you can even go right at it.
Can I mop with it too?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You can.
Okay.
There's also another brand that I wanted to bring today, and I completely forgot it at home. But it's called Aunt Fanny's, and so it's actually a vinegar solution with the essential oils in it.
Oh, I like that.
So it smells already. You can even make this easy at home. You can look online, just like search a vinegar bathroom cleaner essential oil solution. They're super easy to make, but if you didn't want to make it, you can buy Aunt Fanny's, I believe sells at Rayleigh's and Whole Foods. They're probably even at Costco too.
Don't you think it's interesting though that we've been, I don't want to say force fed, but we're led to believe that we have to buy things to clean. And these are things that most people already have in their cabinets at home.
Yeah, and the thing is vinegar is actually shown to kill germs just as well as all the harsh chemicals.
Love it.
And the thing is, you know, you can eat vinegar. Like we put vinegar in things. So that's something that, you know, you can't eat bleach. You know what I mean?
You better not.
And bleach also it can cause, it can even burn the skin. It causes irritation to the skin, but respiratory issues. Studies have linked bleach to respiratory issues, so it impairs lung function. attention.
You got my
mean to be a
attention.
downer.
No, but we're learning, and you're
Yeah.
teaching us and giving us things we probably didn't already know. So
Right.
I like it. Thank
Yeah,
you.
and especially around kids, like bleach is, really bad for kids too, with their little lungs and their skin so delicate.
And they're
So-
highly susceptible to all those different type of what do you call it, synthetics that you're talking about out there.
Yes.
So what's this?
Well,
The
and
coup de
let me
grace
hit
last.
this really quick.
Oh, what's that?
Actually, hydrogen peroxide.
What you gonna do with that?
It actually kills mold better than bleach. So if you're fighting mold in your bathroom, just get some hydrogen peroxide. Again, so much better for your skin, for your lungs.
I probably already have some hydrogen peroxide.
Yeah.
So I can just put it in a spray bottle.
Exactly.
I'm in.
Yeah.
Okay,
and
good.
actually, I got this spray bottle off Amazon, so you can just even order it off Amazon just like that, and it's already in the
Okay,
spray
so
bottle.
this is
for
my
you.
whole bathroom, possibly my countertops in my kitchen as well.
Yep, you
Okay.
can use it. Yeah, you can use this in your kitchen too. And then let's talk about dish soap. So also in the dish soap, listen, you're drinking water out of these glasses, you're eating off of these plates.
Oh my goodness.
I talk about organics, really important. So we go out of the way to get organic, but then we're bringing all these chemicals into the
Yeah.
kitchen, so it kind of, negates you buying organic food.
What does it smell? No smell again?
I prefer not to have
Oh my gosh. Smells like nothing.
But
I like juniper.
lemon. But you don't want to have that mixed in with your food, right?
No.
You don't want to eat
But
lavender.
I feel like I'm being clean because then my kitchen smells clean. I've
Right.
been force fed. I got to smell clean.
Yeah, and again, I would say try to use some essential oils. There's even like a lemongrass essential oil that you can use, but definitely read the essential oils before you use any of them that you're going to be consuming.
Okay.
But I know it takes a little bit to get used to. I used to love the candles, the dryer sheets.
So you're saying ixnay on all that?
Yeah, I mean, I had hormone issues, and so that's really whenever I got into this and healed my hormone issues from getting rid of all of these things.
Oh my goodness. So now I'm going to say to you that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mm-hmm. That's a lot.
Okay.
But can they cross pollinate?
Yes. Well, definitely the vinegar and baking soda. You can
Okay.
use this bathroom, kitchen, and then you'll have to just get a laundry detergent. But
Okay.
and one more thing, another tip, I'm big on reading ingredients with food. I always say read the ingredients. Look at the back of the products that you are buying as well, especially the ones that say things like made without dyes and parabens. That's
Oh my
always
goodness.
really good to just make sure. And again, you don't want to get the one.
Hypoallergenic, readily biodegradable, pH balanced, and never tested on animals. For this one,
Yeah,
for example.
and these are actually the same brand too. So, and this is a good one that you
Okay,
can.
Meg, so
give
how
it-
can people find you when you've got all this great advice? If people want to find you on social media,
Yep.
I've been trolling her. So how can
Definitely
they
go to
find you?
Meg Unprocessed on Instagram. I'm on Facebook too. You can go to megunprocessed.com, my website where I have more info, and then go to abc10.com/Meg to see all the segments that I do here.
Right?
And I'll be bringing you more information each week.
Okay, and she said that she told me this before we went on. Please do not call her Miss Unprocessed. She is Megan. Her name is Megan Evans. She just goes by Meg Unprocessed.
A lot of people get that confused.
Thank you for joining us today.
thank
And we
you,
got
Tracy.
a lot to learn, so thank you. I can't wait to do more segments with you. This is
Yeah.
wonderful.